Hey you guys, Esikhomesteddah here. Oh my goodness, they are out here hunting, you guys. All right, listen up, you guys. Esikhomesteddah needs help with these bulbs. Can somebody tell me what these bulbs are? Okay, so yesterday we were able to get my blueberry hedge area planted up, and we needed extra soil, so we're trying to simplify with all the grow pots, the grow bags throughout the yard. And you know, a lot of things is cracking right now because of the heat from the previous summers, so we don't want to just throw away soil. Never throw away soil, never. So we got to this pot, and I know one of my fruit trees didn't make it, not this year, but I think it was last year, and I think it was my lime. And I believe that I put some type of flowers in here. I don't even recall, you guys. But I am familiar with the type of fertilizer that do come on the fruit trees, which is these little green slow release pebbles that you see there. But I just can't remember what did I throw in this pot. So when we went to use this pot for extra soil, as we was dumping, these popped up. And when I tell you, they are in there. And I'm sure if I turn this whole thing over, they may be even at the bottom. I have no clue on what these are. So what I'm going to do is cover them up with some more soil to protect them, because I don't want them to die, and they might be even trying to do that right now, being that these black tips are like that. So what I'm going to do is cover them up. Hopefully one of you guys can tell me, let me see if I can tell me what this is, what type of bulb this is, because this don't look like a daffodil. And I mean, these suckers is in here. Oh man. So I'm gonna cover them up with this extra soil that I have here, and maybe the weekend I can get to it and see what's going on at the bottom of the root system of the pot, and hopefully get these loosened up so that I can plant them somewhere and just figure out what they are. So I'm hoping that one of you guys can tell me what these are. Help a sister out. All right, you guys. So this is SEK, and I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you for tuning in. Peace.